Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to use a green screen keyer in Final Cut Pro. So right here I have a subscribe video with a green background. I want to remove this background just so it looks good for the video. To do this in Final Cut, open up the Effects tab, scroll down just a little bit until you get to Masks and Keying. In here, it should be the green screen keyer. So you just take this and drag it onto the file that you want. In the options for the green screen keyer, there's a ton of different options to help you improve it. So for instance, the strength, if part of your image is getting cut off or there's a green line around your image, try increasing this or decreasing this. You can also refine the keying per the edge or per sample color. And since it was really obvious, since this background was all just green, it automatically just chose the color. But if you want to select your own color manually, you go to color selection right here. If you're doing this on a really complex image, changing the view is really helpful. So changing it to matte view right here makes it so you can see exactly which part of the image is getting cut off. So just like the strength slider, fill holes, edge distance, and spill level can help improve your selection. You have other areas like matte tools, spill suppression, spill contrast, and light wrap. So play around with those and you'll see what works best with your image. Alright, that's it from me. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and please subscribe to our channel to see more helpful tutorials just like this. Have a great day everyone. Cheers.